Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to wish everyone happy Bakrid. May this festival of sacrifice, faith and purity abundant all life with good health and prosperity. Before moving on to the recipe, I would like to mention that this is a recipe by my mother-in-law made during one of my recent visit to Kerala. Thought this would be the right occasion to share with you all. The list of ingredients and measurements will be mentioned in the description box below. So without further delay, let's move on to the cooking of Kerala style mutton rice. Wash and drain the excess water from the mutton. Here we took the meat along with the bone and fat. Now put the meat into a large size pressure cooker to cook. Now add the spices: turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, meat masala and some salt. Add the freshly crushed green chilies, ginger, garlic to the mutton and mix it thoroughly with your hands. Now add the crushed shallots, which is also known as sambar onion. Also put the sliced onions and mix everything again. Add the sliced tomatoes, water and some black pepper powder and give everything a final mix. Finally add the curry leaves and cook the meat for 3 to 4 whistles depending on the tenderness of the mutton. In the meanwhile, grind some coconut along with some black pepper, cinnamon, star anise, fennel and cloves. Take a kadai and put some oil to fry the onions, cashews and raisins for garnish. And this time it's me with a helping hand on the onions while she was busy with some other work. The garnish is ready. We really had a tough time saving it from the kids. By then the meat was also ready. We didn't use the whole meat we cooked previously for the rice. Half was taken out to make a gravy separately. Now add some whole spices and boiling water enough to cook the rice. Put the grinded coconut and mix. Finally add the soaked rice to the gravy and pressure cook it for 1 whistle or more till the rice cooks completely. For this rice, it will taste even more delicious when it's slightly overcooked. Our Kerala style mutton rice is now ready. Garnish with fried onions, cashews, raisins, coriander and mint leaves. Hope you all enjoyed the making of this delicious rice recipe. Try it for this Bakrid and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching and see you all soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.